Hi there. I'm Andrew Norrie. And I'm I'm a professional real estate guy. Is your home ready for the fall? I'm here today to give you a few tips on how to prepare for the cold weather. If your windows are a little drafty, just hose them down with pumpkin spice. That way, when the cold air leaks in, at least it'll smell warm and inviting. Don't forget to do the outsides, too. When you're all done, put a pumpkin on it. It's probably been a few months since you last used your fireplace, and this one is nowhere near ready for fall.
Pumpkin spice.
That's much better. When it comes to that perennially thorny question of whether or not to cover your air conditioner's condenser, we tend to agree with the pros that you shouldn't. But that doesn't mean there's nothing to do.
Pumpkin spice.
Well, would you look at that? Time to burn those leaves.
I'm sorry, what? Andrew, no! No! Andrew, I'm sorry. What made you think that was a good idea? Did you seriously think we were going to tell our clients to burn their leaves?
I don't know. It seemed like a good idea.
How have you lived this long?
I just got lucky.
Ugh.